So y'all might recognize this beautiful Think Pink kit that we had our lovely model Molly showcase. And unfortunately, I'm here to say that it's not going to be available for our winter line like we planned. So as I'm taking it off, I'm going to show you what we are going to have instead, which is the Think Purple kit. And as I'm going to unwrap it and then show you how to wrap this one, I'm going to tell you a little bit about our process. So we designed this beautiful pink kit, and unfortunately, when it just arrived from the manufacturer, it arrived purple. So what are we going to do, right? And so we have to be flexible, and now we're going to have the beautiful Think Purple kit showcase instead. And the Think Pink kit, we only have one of them, so we're going to ask you all what you think we should do with that. So the Think Purple kit is, it's stunning. I don't know which one I like better. Gorgeous, gorgeous, like purple, lavender, lakeshore bliss, and the same floral, gorgeous, gorgeous scarf in purple. And this is what happens when you own a small business. Actually, this happens in big businesses as well. It's just they have more infrastructure to deal with it, and they are able to plan farther ahead. And we, I always say it's so funny. We try so hard here at Wrapunzel to plan ahead and make plans and take photos in advance and do our advertising in advance and get you all hyped up about things in advance. And then something like this happens. Like when this arrived, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful and we designed it so well, but it's not the color that I wanted. Like, oh no, what are we gonna do? And then we'd already hyped up and advertised that gorgeous kit on Molly, and we got so many comments with all of you so excited about it. Even those of you who aren't so into pink were saying you would love this pink kit, and I was like, I opened it up, I was like, oh no, now we're gonna have to tell them that it's not available. But then I looked at this gorgeous purple, I was like, you know what? This is all from above. Everything, there's an expression that says like, man plans and God laughs. Like this is clearly, I would say this is actually maybe even more appropriate for winter than the pink one, right? And I feel like we're gonna have a lot of people that love it as well. So, and we are just gonna make another plan. And I'm making this video now to tell you a little bit about it. And for those of you that were waiting for the pink kit, I am sorry to disappoint you, but also look at this. Look how amazing this is. Like it's part of me saying, I don't think we should be disappointed, because do we like this even better? I don't even know. So anyway, we are going to be launching the Think Purple kit with our winter line tomorrow. And my question is, we do have one of these. We do have one of the Think Pink kits. So what should we do with that? Should we do a giveaway? What should we do with this one that we have? Anyway, check out the Think Purple kit. I am in love, and now I'm gonna go outside and take a model shot of it. Bye y'all.